everyone, welcome to this tutorial on integration delivery with shipment tracker for WooCommerce. Whether you are an e-commerce store owner or a developer setting up shipment for a client, this video will walk you through everything from setting up API key to enabling advanced tracking and automation. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to first automatically sync tracking update from delivery. Second, push order to delivery in real time. Third, fourth, improving checkout experience with dynamic shipping options. And last, offering seamless tracking for customers. So let's get started. To begin, we need to connect the plugin to your delivery account. Head over to WooCommerce, Shipment Tracking, and select the delivery and click on Save Change. After click on Save Changes, go to Delivery and enter API token. If you don't have API token, click on Get API token. And copy it and paste it here. Then click on Save Changes. Then press on Test Connection. To verify that the API is working correctly. If the connection was failed, double check your API key or contact delivery support for assistance. Now let's set the pickup location, which determines where delivery will pick up orders from. Enter your pickup pin code in the designation field. In the uh, pickup location name field, enter the warehouse or store name associated with your delivery account. If you are not sure of the correct location name, click on Get Pickup Location to fetch it from delivery system. Copy it and paste it and click on Save Changes. Display estimated delivery dates on product page. To ensure customer get real-time tracking update, you can enable automatic synchronization. Locate the Sync Tracking Ever drop-down menu. Select how often you like tracked details to update option range from every 15 minutes to 24 hours. If you prefer to update tracking manually, select Never and use the manual sync option when needed. To save your time, you can enable automatic push order. This means any order in progressing state will be automatically sent to delivery for shipment. You can still manually push order by going to the order detail page and clicking push now. additional benefits. The plugin also push the order weight and dimension to delivery, helping prevent shipment cost. To ensure accurate calculation, make sure weight and dimensions are set for each product in WooCommerce. Customer can track their orders in multiple ways, like from account, from WooCommerce email. You can select the field and click on Save Change. From a dedicated tracking page, automatically created by the plugin, you can create multiple tracking page from the shortcode. You can change the design of tracking page and preview of tracking page. Now let's configure cutoff time and processing date to ensure accurate delivery estimates. The cutoff time defines the last time an order can be placed for same day processing. The default time is 6 p.m. You can change it to your fit your store flow works. Select delivery rate and date provider and enter your processing days and click on save change. You can change your processing date from here. See why it's matter. Customer can appreciate clear delivery timelines leading to higher configurations. If you want to show your processing days, you can click here and select the location like before add to cart and click on save change and refresh your product page. Yeah, this is your processing time. If you want to change this message type, you can edit from here like this. Click on save change and refresh your page. See, you can also add a label from here like and click on save change and refresh your page. Customer can track their orders in multiple ways, like from account from WooCommerce email. You can select the field and click on Save Change. From a dedicated tracking page, hope automatically created by the plugin, you can create multiple tracking page from the shortcode. You can change the design of tracking page and preview of tracking page. Customers can track their orders in multiple ways. Go to track widget, show track now button on my account, WooCommerce email notification, a detect tracking page automatically created by the plugin, custom shortcode to create more tracking forms, enhancement of available map view, show package location with Google Map integration, customer rating feature, let customer rate their delivery experience,